In this video, I'll guide you through how to add fields in Docusign, whether you're setting up a contract, a form, or any document that needs information from someone else. Understanding how to correctly place fields is the key to getting clean, accurate, and legally valid signatures. Let's start with the very first thing you need to do, opening your document in the editing view. After you've uploaded your document into Docusign and chosen your recipients, you'll be taken to the main preparation screen. This is often called the tagging or editing view. If you're not there yet, look for an option like Next or Prepare after uploading the file. The editing view is where you actually place all the fields that your recipients will interact with, so think of it as your workspace for designing how the document will be filled out. Once your document is open in that editing view, you'll see a panel of field types, usually on one side of the screen. This is where you select the kind of field you need. Common options include text fields, signature fields, date fields, checkboxes, initials, and sometimes more advanced fields depending on your plan. Choosing the right field type is important because it tells Docusign what kind of information to expect. For example, a signature field creates a legally binding electronic signature area, while a text field is just for typed information like a name, address, or notes. Take a moment to think about what information you need from each recipient. If you need someone to sign, choose the signature field. If you want them to enter a date, choose a date field instead of asking them to type it manually. This ensures consistent formatting. For anything typed, such as a job title or company name, a standard text field works well. Selecting the right type now saves time and avoids confusion later. After you've selected your field type, you're ready to place it on the document using drag and drop. Click on the field in the panel, hold down your mouse button, and drag it over to the exact spot in the document where you want it to appear. Release the mouse to drop it into place. You can then click and drag to fine-tune the position so it lines up nicely with the text or the blank space on the page. You can also usually resize many fields by dragging the edges or corners, which is helpful for longer text entries or making sure everything looks tidy and professional. Take care to align fields with any existing lines or labels in your document. A neatly placed field not only looks better, but also makes it obvious to your recipient what they're supposed to do. If a field doesn't land in the right place, don't worry, you can move it as many times as you need until it feels just right. Finally, you need to assign each field to a specific recipient. This is essential because Docusign uses this assignment to control who can see and fill out each field. With a field selected, look for a drop-down or label that indicates the recipient. Choose the correct person from the list. You'll usually see each recipient represented by a name and a color, making it easy to keep track. Make sure every field is assigned. Unassigned fields can cause confusion or prevent the document from being completed properly. Once you've opened your document in the editing view, selected the appropriate field types, dragged and dropped them into position, and assigned them to the right recipients, your document is ready to be sent out for signing. Following these steps carefully will help ensure a smooth, clear signing experience for everyone involved.